Welcome back for another Apecoin price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, Apecoin continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above support at the $1.78 mark, which is also acting as support, and that is after breaking that area which was initially resistance. We saw a 4-hour retest over here, and after the retest you can easily see that we have continued to see higher prices. And as long as we continue holding above these areas of supports, there are high chances that in the next coming hours Apecoin is going to give us a high above the $2 mark, and that is based on the Elliot wave structures. And zooming out to give you my Elliot wave analysis, you can see that on the 10th of October we saw this significant low below the $1 mark over here before we saw that massive breakout to the upper side, giving us a high above the $1.5 mark in what I'm terming as the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, whatever we expected next was a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, and you can see we saw the healthy pullback into the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. We have now seen a reaction of this target area in what I'm now terming as the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, and whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $2 mark. And that's the reason as to why I'm saying that if Apecoin continues to hold above the $1.78 mark, there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see another massive push to the upside, breaking above the $2 mark, fully maximizing our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3. And if we have enough momentum to continue gearing up, we can see a high above the $2.2 mark in the formation of that wave 3. And once the high is in place for that wave 3, we can expect a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 4, and then continue gearing up even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. Alternatively, in case we don't see that increase in momentum to continue gearing up to break above the $2 mark, and maybe at some point we see a bit of a pullback over here, then the first area of support that Apecoin needs to continue holding above lies at the $1.72 mark, that is the $1.78 mark, and as long as that continues to hold, I will still expect another bounce back to the upside. But if by any chance we lose the $1.78 mark, then I will be expecting even lower prices, maybe in a more deeper pullback to the next area of support at the $1.6287 mark. That is the alternative scenario that we can have in mind in case we don't see that increasing the buying momentum to help us break above the $2 mark, and maybe we see a bit of a sell-off, losing supports here on the charts. So those are the possible scenarios that I'm watching out for in the next coming hours here on the Apecoin chart. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.